My video guide will help you to remove the browser notifications and fake human verification alerts that come from the site News-xiyodu.cc. If you see these pop-ups on your screen, then you should obviously be very careful not to interact with them. These pop-ups are very dangerous. They try to force you into clicking on a special allow button integrated into it. The website says that you need to click on allow to verify that you are not a robot. But when people do that, when they mistakenly click on allow, the browser gets hijacked and infected. People start getting forwarded to many other shady websites. Also, they will start receiving the great portion of advertisements in the right part of the computer screen. These ads are sometimes very filthy, and very often they may point you to a lot of shady websites. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow button, of course, you need to immediately undertake certain measures to fix your browser. Go to the menu, go to settings, choose security and privacy, then site settings, go down to permissions, click on notifications. Pay attention to all the websites that are allowed to send notifications. So when you find this News-xiyodu.cc, click on this button and delete this malicious site and other sites from the list. We also recommend that you additionally examine your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official resource combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.